Hey friends, you're watching Defense Info, one stop solution for all your defense need. Like this video, share this video among your friends and fellow defense aspirant. Subscribe this channel and friends hit the bell icon below for latest update. And friends, if you have any query to share, you can share it on our mail ID that is defenseinfo2020@gmail.com and do join our Telegram channel. And friends, today I bring you the news that the SSC Non-Tech 121 course that will be going to commence from the April month of 2025. The SSB interview date selection link is active now. You can choose your desired date from the website of joinindianarmy.nic.in. And friends, this link will be going to open till 31 August 2024. So go fast and choose your desired date. And it is through the UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 01 2024 OTA, which was conducted on 20th April this year. And friends, when you are going to select your dates, it is up to you, but center is already allotted by the Digi Recruiting, and you will be getting random selection centers, whether it is selection center East Allahabad, selection center South Bangalore, or selection center Central Bhopal, or selection center North Jalandhar. So based on that, friends, choose your desired date, go to the login ID of your register login ID and click on the date selection, and you will going to get a lot of dates, and based on that you can select. And friends, for more detail, you come to this slide and you will be getting selection center Central Bhopal, and based on that you will be getting 15 days. So based on that, how you're going to choose the board that you wanted to go, or based on that which date you want to go. So for going to the date, you can just select based on the sequence of the dates that you are getting. And for boards, for example, if you wanted to go to 20 SSB, you can get the as per the batch number. If it is starting from 40, so it is 20 SSB. If it is starting from 72, then it is 21 SSB, and similarly 42 it's 22 SSB. Now selection center South Bangalore, there are two boards for army, that is 17 SSB starting from 6-3 batch number, and 24 SSB that is starting from 6-8 batch number. So total 10 dates you will be getting. And selection center North, that is Jalandhar, there are two boards for army, that is 31 and 32. 31 starting from 8-1 batch number, and 32 9-2 batch number, and total 10 dates that you will be getting. And for selection center East Allahabad, so there are around 23 dates which are available. And for 11 SSB starting from 35 batch number, 14 SSB 15 hashtag batch number, 18 SSB 38 sequence, and for 19 SSB it is 39 sequence, and 34 SSB is from 4-6 sequence. So you're getting first slide 11 batch, and the second slide you'll be getting 23 batch. So friends, do fast, else the last batch will going to be oversubscribed, or your dates based on whatever you feel like may get oversubscribed, because a lot of candidates are selecting their desired date as per their preference. So based on your you will go by ticket, you will going to book a ticket. So based on the ticket availability, choose your desired date, or based on your desired wherever you're getting holidays or free time. Okay, so next thing is, friends, about the SSB interview. So you will getting to face SSB interview for first comers. Let me tell you that SSB is based on two stage, that is stage 1 and stage 2. For interview concern, medical concern is different. So interview concern stage 1 is an elimination round, so it's kind of mini SSB. And from the very first day, many candidates will going to get screen out. For getting screen in, you have to do well in your OIR, that is Officer Intelligence Rating Test. So practice a lot. It is a reasoning type booklet, and you will be getting many type of OIR booklet in my Telegram channel in the group itself. And talking about, friends, narrate it with good fluency, mention number of characters, sex, mood, action, story. Try to complete your story within 1 minute. When we will be getting a PPDT slide, so PPDT is a picture perception and discussion test slide, and 30 seconds will be allotted, 1 minute allotted for write the initials, and 4 minutes allotted for the writing the story. For writing the story, you have to, based on your initials, you have to frame a story. You have to not to describe the story, but write a story around the initials. Okay, now there will be a group discussion where you have to give points and effectively participate, maintaining the group dynamics, and based on your day first result, you're getting to get screen in on the stage 2, where psychology test, interview, and your group testing officer task will be going to be conducted. And there are a lot of sequence in that. Based on that, your performance will be judged, and the assessor will come to consensus. And of course, stage 2 is the determinal factor whether you'll have the potential to be an officer in Indian Army or not. So based on that selection, you will getting recommended, and finally there will be a medical and then all India merit. So it is a merit come selection, right? So friends, I hope you have understood, and do like this video and hit the bell icon below and subscribe this channel, and email ID is provided if you have any query, and of course join our Telegram channel. So meet you soon with a new video, friends.